Did you know your brain is being hacked? Ever wonder why you're still living paycheck to paycheck, even with a decent salary? It's not the inflation. It's the one-click checkout. Retailers have spent billions of dollars studying your brain, and they found something dangerous. You don't actually want the product. You want the rush of buying it. That dopamine spike the moment you hit place order? That's engineered. That's intentional. That's exactly how the middle-class trap works in America. So here's your weapon, the 7-2-hour rule. Next time you see something you want, add it to your cart. Then close the tab. Set a reminder for exactly 3 days later. Come back and ask yourself, do I still want this? Do I actually need it? Most people? The urge is completely gone. You just saved yourself from another impulse buy and kept that money in your pocket where it belongs. Stop letting billion-dollar corporations spend your paycheck for you. Watch my full breakdown on why the American middle class is secretly broke and exactly how to escape it. Link in the related video.